Hello.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm great. Thanks for asking. And you?
I'm good. I'm good. I cannot complain. So well. What is
Great.
your name?
My name is Sultan.
Sultan.
Yes. What about you?
My name is Jav.
Jav.
That's it.
Nice to
Yeah.
meet you, Jav.
And you? Where do you live?
I live in Saudi Arabia, but I'm originally from Pakistan.
Oh, okay. I see. So where do you live in Saudi Arabia?
I live in Khubar, Al Khubar.
I don't know this place.
Have you been Saudi Arabia?
No, the only two places I know in Saudi Arabia are Jeddah and Riyadh.
Right. Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
Great.
So
So, Mhm.
do you work?
yes, I work here. I'm a
Hmm.
teacher in an international school.
Okay. What do you teach?
I teach English.
Oh, I see. You teach English.
Yes.
Not bad, but you're learning English.
I'm practicing my English,
Hmm.
right?
I see. And how long have you been teaching?
In Saudi Arabia, it has been almost 3 years.
Hmm.
And before that, in Pakistan, I was also a teacher. So overall, I have been teaching English for like 7 years.
Oh, I see. So,
Mhm.
do you have like goals with your English, like things that you want to achieve or things you want to do?
Yeah, so I want to improve my pronunciation,
Hmm.
and that's all, and fluency as well.
Yeah, sure. Okay. And do you practice English with your friends or your colleagues or anything like this?
So in a school, we have to communicate in English, but the teachers who are from Pakistan, from my country, we usually communicate with them in our own language, Urdu, instead of English.
Oh, I see. I see. Okay, not bad. And how many teachers are in your school?
I think maybe if you talk about only the male staff, so
Mhm.
we have maybe 30 to 40 teachers.
Oh, I see. I see. All right, that's a lot of teachers.
Yes.
All right, brilliant, good. And do you like teaching English, or do you think it's difficult, or what do you think?
I like teaching English, but yes, it is a bit challenging, but still, I like it.
Okay. And what do you think is the hardest thing about teaching English?
That's a good question.
Mm.
Uh, Hardest thing, maybe the writing. To
Yeah,
teach students the writing skill is, I think, the toughest skill to teach.
sure, sure. And do you prefer teaching people that are younger or older or like different levels? Do you have like a preference?
No, I don't think so that I prefer teaching any specific group of or age of students.
Hmm.
But yeah, but previously I used to teach like elder students, like 15 to 18 years old.
Hmm.
But now in Saudi Arabia, I'm teaching fourth graders, which was a challenging task for me when I came over here. But now, I have got used to it.
All right, I see. And well, you've been teaching for a long time, so
Mhm.
this helps, I think. Yeah.
Yes, you can say.
Do your family speak English?
No, but my family can like understand English
Hmm.
and even speak English, broken English, but they are not fluent in speaking English.
Oh, I see. I see. Well, it's a long road to fluency. It's a very difficult thing, I think.
Yes, sure. I think so too.
Yeah, it definitely is. All right, excellent. So, did you learn English in Pakistan?
Yes, I learned English in Pakistan, and I did multiple courses there,
Mhm.
and then I started taking interest in this language. Yes.
Okay, I see. And you speak, well, Urdu as well. Do you speak any other languages?
I speak Urdu, which is my mother tongue,
Mm-hmm.
and apart from this, I can like read Arabic
Okay.
and even understand few sentences,
Mm-hmm.
but I'm not fluent in Arabic.
Okay, I see. Well, you live in Saudi Arabia and you're from Pakistan, so I imagine that you're Muslim, maybe?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so when you read the Quran, do you read it in Arabic?
Yes, we read in Arabic.
Okay, so this helps you to practice your Arabic as well, I suppose.
Not very much because conversational Arabic is a bit different from the classic Arabic. In Quran, we have the classic Arabic, so it is a bit different.
Oh, okay. What do you think is the biggest difference?
Maybe the words which are in like Quran, they are not used more frequently in conversational.
I
That is the
see.
reason.
Okay, all right, it's interesting. So how
6 to 7 months ago, I was watching different videos on YouTube in order to learn Arabic, like in order to understand Arabic, the classic Arabic, so that I can understand Quran.
mm,
So I completed like 80 to 85 videos. I learned pronouns, words, how to construct sentences in Arabic. But the thing is that I like did not continue. I did not practice, and I quit. So
oh,
that's
I
why I'm not
see.
very good at it.
Yeah, I see. Okay. So if you had the option to say if someone spoke to you and they have magic powers and they say, I will give you the ability to speak
Mhm.
perfect English or perfect Arabic.
Ah, again, difficult question for me to answer.
Mm,
But like Arabic is important in terms of religion,
yeah.
and English is important when we talk about the profession.
Mm,
So since I'm teaching English, so I want to be more fluent and more accurate in English because I'm
yeah.
teaching that subject, and it is something like my profession, and I'm like earning from this. So
Yeah.
I should be good at it.
Sure.
And on the
Sure.
other side, I am a Muslim, so at least I need to understand what is written in Quran because
Mm,
it's a sacred book, it's a holy book, and I think I should be fluent and
mm.
good at both of them.
Yeah, sure. So do you spend any time practicing Arabic?
Not now. Previously, I was spending a lot of time uh, in learning Arabic, and I improved a lot at that time. I was able to construct sentences. Uh, I had vocabulary as well,
Mm-hmm.
and but now, like I'm not practicing it, so that's why I'm forgetting everything, even what I memorized before.
Yeah, I see. Which I suppose is normal. You need to continue practicing in order to
Yes,
develop.
yes, you are right, and even English.
Mm,
Uh, I feel that if I don't speak English for 2 to 3 days, so and when I started speaking English or try to speak English in front of my students, I find it difficult. But when I'm in practice and like I am when I keep on speaking English on daily basis, then it
uh-huh.
is not a Herculean task for me to communicate.
Yeah, I see. Okay, all right, brilliant. It's very strange. At the moment, I'm living in Spain
Ah,
and I'm learning Spanish. And
Wow.
it's the same thing. If I don't practice Spanish for, let's say, a week, I
Mhm.
feel like I've forgotten everything. I don't know how this happens.
Yes,
So it requires you always practicing and always trying to learn. Very strange.
exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Do
Right.
you enjoy?
Yes, I do. And I want to communicate in different languages. Like, I want to learn different languages, in fact, like Japanese, Chinese.
Oh,
Yes, because and Arabic as well. Because
yeah,
when you talk the people in their own language, so they like you get a good response.
yeah, yeah. It's true. You can connect with people better, I think.
Exactly.
Have you traveled to Japan, or are you interested in traveling to Japan?
I am actually, I have been teaching on a platform which is based in Japan.
Hmm.
So recently, I have learned a lot of things about Japan and historical places there, famous places there.
Hmm.
So I want to go over there.
Okay, I see. I see. I think it'd be an incredible experience. You know.
Mhm.
Have you
Yes.
traveled much to other countries before?
No, this is the first time I'm in Saudi Arabia.
Oh, I see. So you've only been in Pakistan. Every other time has been you being in Saudi Arabia.
Yes.
Oh, I see.
Right.
So it's quite a big difference to move to another culture and to speak a different language. Do many people speak Urdu in Saudi Arabia?
So there are a lot of people from my
Hmm.
country and India and Bangladesh, because the Indians and Bangladeshi, they also communicate with each other in the same language, Urdu.
Hmm.
And you might know that Hindi is very similar with Urdu.
Mm.
So here you feel like home. For me,
Hmm.
uh, maybe because of the religion is same,
Hmm.
and like I don't feel that it is very different. Yes, if I had moved to Western country like America or Canada, so
Hmm.
it would have been a different experience because of the weather and culture, tradition, people.
Sure.
But this is not very different from Pakistan.
Okay, I see. Now,
Mhm.
is there a big Pakistani community in Saudi Arabia?
Yes, there is. And in Jeddah, you will find a lot of Pakistani people. And even here, which is Al Khobar, which is in the eastern province of
Hmm.
Saudi Arabia. So there is a Pakistani community, there is a Pakistani school, shops. So when you go there, you feel like that you are still in Pakistan.
Oh, I see. I see. Okay, this is good. This is good. Brilliant. So, if you could travel somewhere, where would you like to travel if you had a choice?
Uh, there are different countries, a number of countries, I must say, like
Hmm.
Turkey, as I mentioned earlier, Japan, India also,
Hmm.
and America, Australia, Canada. Yes.
Yeah, I
Mhm.
see. So lots of places everywhere, really.
Yes.
Yeah. What do you
Right.
think are the advantages of traveling?
I think like when I did not communicate with people from different nationalities, different countries, I
Hmm.
used to think that they might be different from us, from Pakistani people. But when I started communicating with them, interacting with them, talking with them, I realized that these are the same people. There is no big difference. They feel like the same. They have the same problems. They have the same like mentality.
Hmm.
So that's why I want to go there different to different countries and learn about their culture, their tradition.
Okay, I see. And so you don't have any children or anything at the moment?
No.
How old are you, if you don't mind me asking?
Yeah. What do you think? What is your guess?
I mean, 19, 20, maybe 21.
Huh? No.
Yeah, that's the most. 20, no, definitely not older than 21. Definitely not.
I'm 35.
I see, I see. Well, you look good for your age. It's good.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. But I don't think so.
You don't
I
think
think
so?
I look older than my real age.
No, I don't think so.
What
All
about
right.
you? How old are you?
How old do you think? Be honest.
Okay. So maybe between 25 and 30.
That's a very good guess. Yes. So it's a very safe guess. I'm
Yeah.
27, 27.